Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this simple Valentine's Day look. First, I'm applying 2 coats of peel-off base coat to my natural nails. Then I'm applying a layer of white nail polish. I usually apply a layer of white nail polish before applying any colored nail polish. Then for my index and ring nail, I'm applying 2 coats of red nail polish. And as for my middle, pinky, and thumbnail, I'm applying this pink holographic nail polish. And here are my base colors for today. Then I'm using this stamping plate. Then I'm applying pink shades for the hearts. Then, after letting the stamper to dry, I'm applying a fast-drying top coat onto my nail. Then, I'm stamping the design. Then, I'll be using this lollipop design. And now, I'm filling it in with colors. After letting all of my nails to dry, let's apply top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!